now write solution. X minus 1, 3, 1, x minus 2, 1, 2, 1, x equals to 8. Please listen very carefully. If you are asked to solve a matrix of this form, what you first consider is, since it is a 3 by 3 matrix, note that we are working with this plus, minus, plus. Amen? Okay?
Yes,
so what you will do here now, we are going to look at x minus 1. That is, we look for the matrix of x minus 1. It implies that x minus 1, you bracket it. The matrix of x minus 1, definitely, it means you are going to cover this row, then cover the column. What are you seeing? You are seeing minus 2, 1, 1, and x. Amen? Amen. Okay? Minus 2, 1, 1, x. Then, plus minus. It means here will be minus 3. We are going to apply the same procedure. What are you saying? X 2, 1, x. X
2.
We are saying x 1, 2, x. Is that clear? 1, 2, x. And here is plus 1. The same thing applicable here. You are saying x minus 2, 2, and 1. Is that clear? Okay. X minus 2, 2, 1. Then equate it to 8. Equals to 8. Amen? Okay. So if you agree with me, it implies that we are going to write x minus 1 all in brackets, open another bracket again, use this x to multiply this minus 2, then minus, use this 1 to multiply this 1. It implies that we are going to have minus 2 times x minus 1 times 1. Is that clear? Then what we have here, minus 3. Minus 3, all in brackets, the same thing applicable here. Use this x to multiply this x, minus, use this 1 to multiply 2. Use this 2 to multiply 1, that is x times x minus 2 times 1. Is that clear? Then plus 1. Plus 1, the same thing applicable here. Use this 1 to multiply this x. So x times 1 minus, use this 1 to multiply this 2 to multiply minus 2. It implies that you are going to have minus 2 times 2 all in bracket, then equate it to what? 8. Is that clear? Okay. So if you agree with me, definitely we are going to have x minus 1 all in bracket minus 2 times x minus 2x minus 1 times 1. It will give us minus 1. Is that clear? Then minus all in bracket x times x, x squared is going to give us x squared, minus 2 times 1 is going to give us minus 2, plus x times 1, all in bracket, x times 1 will give us x, then minus minus 2 times 2 will give us minus 4. Then use it to multiply this minus, it's going to give us plus 4. Then this is equals to 8. Amen? Okay, so let us multiply out this bracket. So if we multiply out this bracket, x times minus 2x will going to give us minus 2x squared. X times minus 1 will give us minus x. Minus 1 times minus 2x will going to give us plus 2x. Then minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1. Is that clear? Then let us also multiply out this bracket. Minus 3 times x squared will give us minus 3x squared. Then minus 3 times minus 2 will give us plus 6. Then use this one to multiply out this bracket. 1 times x will give us x. Then 1 times 4 will give us 4 equals to 8. Yes, at this point, you are going to collect like terms if you agree with me. So what we need to do here is we know that this and this are like terms. This and this are like terms, and this and this are like terms. Is that clear? So we collect like terms. Amen. Okay. So now we are going to write minus 2x squared minus 3x squared minus x plus 2x plus x. Amen. Okay. Then plus 1 plus 6 plus 4. Then this 8 crosses the sign of equality, becomes minus 8. Then here will be 0. Is that clear? Okay? Yes. Okay. Now, I know some of you will be confused. Minus 2x squared minus 3x squared will definitely give us minus 5x squared. And without loss of generality, this and this will go through of us. Okay? So if you agree with me, we are going to have plus 2x. Then this plus this will give us 10. Two of us. Then 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Then 2 plus 1 will give us 3. Is that clear? So plus 3 equals to 0. You discover that this is a quadratic equation, but we are going to do something so that it will be easier for you to solve it. I know some of you, because of this minus sign, it will be a little bit difficult for you. But let me just open your eyes. If you come across something of this form, use minus to multiply through the equation. It implies that minus times minus will give you plus x squared plus 5x squared. Then minus times plus will give you minus 2x. Minus times plus will give you minus 3. Amen? You discover that this minus has vanished. Okay? So now, at this point, this is a quadratic equation. You either use completely the square method or factorization method or formula method to obtain this idiot. Is that clear? So now let us apply formula method. We know that our formula method is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Amen? Okay. Now, without one telling you, we suppose, let us look for our a, b, and c. Let's compare this equation with this. We have x squared plus ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. It implies that for us to obtain, okay, compare it with this equation, minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Without one telling you, it implies that our ax squared, to obtain our a, is equals to 5x squared. Is that clear? Then our bx is equals to minus 2x, and our c is equals to minus 3. It implies that this and this can cancel. It implies that a is equals to 5. Is that clear? This and this will go. Then our b is equals to minus 2. Amen? Okay? So now we are going to substitute these values into this formula by writing our s is equals to minus b. Our b is minus 2. Is that clear? Minus 2 plus or minus square root of. Then, yes, minus 2 all square minus 4 times a. Our a is 5, right? Times a. Then our, no, okay, yes. Our c is minus 3, right? Minus 3 all over 2 times 5. Amen? Okay? So if you agree with me, we are going to look at it this way. Our x is equals to minus times minus. Here will be plus 2 plus or minus square root of. Then, if we have something of this form, minus 2 all square, this is the same as minus 2 times minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 2 will definitely give us plus 4. Is that clear? So here will be 4. Then here will be this times minus 4 times 5 times minus 3. It will give us what? This one times this will give us 20. Is that clear? Minus 20. Minus 20 times 3 will going to give us plus 60. Is that clear? Here will be what? Plus 60. True or false? Or plus 60. Is that clear? Then all over 2 times 5 will going to give us 10. Okay? Then x is equals to 2 plus or minus 4 plus 60 will going to give us 64 all over 10. Okay? Then let us look for the square root of 64. It will give us 8. True or false? Okay, our x is equals to 2 plus or minus 8 all over 10. No! Remember that if we have plus or minus, this is the same thing, either plus or minus. Is that clear? So our x will now be 2 plus, let's start with plus, 2 plus 8 all over 10. This will going to give us 10 all over 10. Amen. Then our x is equals to 1. Is that clear? Then, or if we now say x is equals to 2 minus 8 all over 10, this implies that our x is equals to minus 6 all over 10. Then this and this to itself, we're going to 2 can go, give you 5, then 2 to this, it will give you 3. It implies that our x is equals to minus 3 all over 5. So therefore, our x is equals to 1, or our x is equals to minus 3 all over 5. Is that clear? Thank you very much.